Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn these flat printed designs into interactive folded tags using nothing more than a pair of scissors. Along the way I'll share some of my favorite printing and cutting tips, so be sure to stick around to the end. I'll also be sharing a free printable page of folded tags with you that you can download, print, and craft with today. Start out by printing your folded tags on cardstock or another heavier paper, then roughly cut around each design to separate the tags from the page. There's no need to cut into the outline yet, we're just making each tag easier to handle. Next, trim away a tiny section of the outline, fold it in half, hold it up to a bright light or a window, and line up the printed outlines. Once everything matches, crease the fold and trim just inside the outline all the way around. And it's as simple as that. Repeat the process with the remaining tags from the page. One quick tip, rotate the tag, not your scissors, as you cut around the curves. It'll give you much smoother cuts and a nicer finished edge. One of my favorite things about printable folded tags is that you don't have to print them at just one size. Try changing the scale setting in your printer settings before you print. Printing at 75% or even 50% creates smaller versions that are perfect for journals, mini albums, cards, planners, and so many other papercraft projects. Reducing the size won't reduce the print quality, so it's a great way to get even more use out of every design. When you're cutting along the fold, make sure you leave enough of it so that the tag doesn't break and the front fall off. But if you're cutting it a bigger tag, you can get away with cutting more of that white space off. But when you print them smaller, you'll probably want to leave more of it on there just for tag stability. You can grab this page of tags that I'm using in the video for free. I've shared a QR code at the end of this video that you can scan with your phone, or I've also dropped the link in the caption. These little folded tags are perfect for junk journals, scrapbook layouts, handmade cards, planners, happy mail, and all your other papercraft projects. But they also make really adorable, unique gift tags. You can just punch a little hole and run some string and ribbon and tie it right onto your gifts. I'm using my favorite microtip spring-assisted scissors by Fiskars. They are perfect for precision cutting like this. I'll drop a link to them in the caption. And here are all three finished tags. They only take a few minutes to make, and they're such a fun way to add interactive elements to your paper crafting projects. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free printable folded tag page. You can download it using the link below in the caption, or scan the QR code on the screen and then print it out and start crafting today. If you'd like even more folded tag ideas, tutorials, printed designs, keep exploring this page for lots more inspiration. Thanks so much for watching.